So as any young, inspiring 20-year-old man who wants to do something better with his life, who doesn't like the idea of going to school, who doesn't like the idea of, working for a paycheck and actually want to do something with their lives and be free, and I can go on for days. I tried dropshipping, which by the way sounds so tacky because it's such like this scammy thing to say, like not scammy. It's just like I tried e-commerce. And e-commerce is building a brand and selling a store online, and you're just using the dropshipping method. I just like to put that out there, by the way. But I finally tried it. It's been in my face for a few years actually, but I just never got to it because I really wanted to focus on my YouTube. But then I kind of realized the sad truth of YouTube is that YouTube is not a good way to make money. Your main source of income is ad revenue, and then once you say something that they don't like, they can cut your ad revenue, and then the YouTube algorithm doesn't like you, then the YouTube people shut you down, and then you're a bitch because you have no money because you said something. But it's a mess. So I wanted to think outside the box and say, well, you know what, YouTube is not going to be a good financial business, so let me try some other business. And I tried dropshipping, and it's going pretty well. I'll show you the exact steps that I took and the results that I've had that are crazy if you want to wait till the end. So this video is just showing you my journey on the steps I took, and then I will show you the results at the end. So make sure you stay. So what happened was I got this little rush of idea that I wanted to start dropshipping. I went to my old trusted friend and we said, let's do it together because we both want to make money. We both want to get out the matrix. We both want to not be slaves and be free. So let's start dropshipping. So getting straight into it, the first thing I did was I had to look for a product. So I'm scrolling and looking on product, searching up winning products, this, that. I didn't know what to do, how to find products. But yet one video came up and it was about pickleball. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with pickleball, but it's like a sport between tennis and ping pong. And I'm not familiar with it at all, but I heard it was a humongous trend. So I said, fuck it. If that's a humongous trend, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make a quick bag and I'm gonna do some pickleball stuff. So quickly I found out that AliExpress is not a good supplier. You can go on Zendrop and they have better shipping time, plus they do the fulfillment for you straight connected to your Shopify account. I know, wow, it's crazy. And I found some pickleball stuff on Zendrop. It took me 2 weeks to create my first website because it was the first website I ever did in my life, and I kind of got frustrated. I created a very garbage website that took me 2 weeks, filled with frustrations on how to do this, how to do that. It took me so long, and I know now I've learned that there's AI that makes everything for you now. I didn't really think of it at the time. But I created a website, put the products on Zendrop, and I decided to do Facebook ads, but pictures. Because I didn't want to do videos because there were no videos on pickleball that I could have found. And I didn't want to order the product myself because I was too lazy, to be honest. So after running some Facebook picture ads that I edited on Canva, put it on Facebook, put the link of my store on the ads, and then I thought I waited. I said, I'm done. I'm getting rich tomorrow. Hope for the best. And guess what? I can show you the screenshot of how much I made. Hold on, let's see. Oh, right. $0. 0 sales. And then I thought to myself, well, Julian, you are a failure. You suck. You're a loser. And you're gonna be broke for the rest of your life. So I was like pretty discouraged for the next few days. But then I realized, I'm like, Julian, if you really want to be honest, did you put really anything good with this store? You didn't do much. You just took a lot of time to make the website, which by the way, could have taken someone in a few minutes. Your ads suck. You know nothing about dropshipping. You know nothing about running an e-com store, and you decided that your first shot you were gonna get millions of dollars. So I said, okay, let's be realistic. I feel like we all go through that where we create this store, it's a very shit store, thinking that it's gonna make us millions of dollars, make us finally free, and it didn't. Yeah, it didn't. But that's fine. I've learned, and that was a few weeks ago. Now, I've been working on another store these last few weeks. I really think this one might do well. I said that last time, and we know the results for that. But there's definitely improvement. I can show you my website when it's done, and I can kind of keep you updated on the next store that I'm about to drop. And then once I make money, then I'm gonna tell you how the fuck I did it, because I don't want to tell you how I did it and I made $0. I'm gonna be really real with you. But once I figure it out, I'm gonna tell you guys how to make money. It's simple as that. We're all trying to be rich here, right? No gatekeeping, abundance. World's full of abundance. So when I figure out the dropshipping, I'll see you guys in the next video. Well, I hope you enjoyed the journey of my first dropshipping store. This will be a funny story to laugh at in the future. And well, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll hope to see you guys next video with money. Yeah. See you then. And then when I make money, then I will tell you how to make money, and then see each other at the top, obviously.